In this video, we are going to teach you step-by-step how to open an account and register on the Shares.com stock exchange. When we officially enter the comprehensive Shares.com website, by simply clicking on the prominent Sign Up option, the dedicated account opening page will then fully open for us, allowing us to proceed. In this section, you need to enter an email address that you haven't used to open an account before and choose a password that includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, click on the Continue button. Our initial account opening is complete and we have entered the page related to residence and nationality. In this particular section, you will need to carefully select your country of residence, clearly indicate here that you are definitively not a citizen of the United States, and then finally click on the prominent Continue button. You will then be automatically taken to the welcoming welcome page from the reputable broker Shares.com. By clicking on the Get Started button, the page for entering personal information will open for us. In this section, you need to enter your first and last name, and by clicking on Continue, proceed to the next steps regarding identity verification and completing your personal information. From this particular point in our demonstration, we will now proceed to exit the identity verification page, and as you can clearly and distinctly observe, we are currently positioned on the main dashboard page of the Shares.com broker platform, which provides a comprehensive overview of your account. Our account has been successfully opened, and in upcoming videos, we will go through the process of identity verification, as well as depositing and withdrawing funds in this exchange together. Wishing you success and profitable trades.